welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about objects in JavaScript. So first of all, what are objects? Objects is a modified version of arrays, or we can also say object is the advanced version of arrays. If you don't know what arrays, I've already made a video on that. The link is in the description box below. You can check it out there, or you can go to my channel and find it in the JavaScript series. Now, when we're writing an arrays, as you all know, we write the variable, and then we put the braces, and then we write the values inside. Okay, but in the object, the format is a bit different. We write var x or any variable name, and then put the equals to sign and put curly braces. Curly braces is the identity of object. Keep that in mind. Then we write some names and then assign them values. Like I have here, Emily's favorite is chocolate, Ella's favorite is vanilla, and Dora's favorite butterscotch. We can identify better than arrays. So when we talk about information about objects, the first statement is the same I just told you. We have an index in array while objects have names, so you can identify better. As you see here, in arrays, it's like 0, 1, 2. There's an index going on, and identification is a little bit hard. But in objects, there are names specified for every value. And these names, like Emily's favorite, Ella's favorite, Dora's favorite, are known as properties. Okay? So the names are called properties. The third one is we can make an array inside an object. That is why object is the modified version of arrays. Now we can also say we can make functions inside of it. Wow. Well, now let's see these things in practical on VS Code. So let's go. Okay guys, we're here in VS Code. So I'm going to make an object on like somebody's identity and then execute on that. So I'm going to write here object. And I'm going to write here var x equals to. You're going to write here like an identity of someone. It's a fiction character. Okay. Age about 19. Yeah, 19. I'm gonna write this and that. There we go. And we're now putting these double inverted commas on 19. You know why? Because it's an integer number. Data types, remember? So that's fine. Ctrl S. Now, how will we execute this on this screen? A normal person would mostly do this. A normal person mostly do document.write x. Okay? But when you're going to do that, it won't show the whole object, while it's going to show object. That's it. So how will you execute this? You're going to execute it by writing console.log x. Console.log x, or whatever your variable name is. And you see here it's coming name Emily, age 9, and prototype object. Okay. Now, what if you just want to show one property, like only name, for an example? So you're going to write here your variable name, and then you're going to take one of the properties name and just save it. You're going to see that on here. It's coming Emily. You can also do this on document.write. See if I show it to you. X.name. Okay, just a second. Yeah, so it will show us Emily here too. So you can do this on document.write and on console, but when you're printing the whole object, it will only happen on console. That's fine. Now let's put an array inside an object, right? So I'm gonna write here and ice, okay, ice. I stands for ice cream. I'm writing like one word of properties because I would like to recommend you writing short and crisp property names so it will be faster for you and efficient for you because you're writing for yourself. Nobody's gonna see this, so that's why I just write, because you know what's the meaning, so just write crisp things. I would have written fave ice cream. I could have written that, but I won't written ice. Okay, so I'm gonna write here choco. I'm gonna write here vanilla. And I'm gonna write here butterscotch. Okay, that's done. Now if I execute this here, and I'm gonna open it, you're gonna see age and then ice. It's an array, showing an array, chocolate, vanilla, butterscotch. So you can put an array inside an object. Wow, that's cool. Now let's put a function inside an object. But first, what if you just want to show one value of this array that is inside an object? You're gonna write your document.write so document.write x dot and then the name of the property that has a array. So I'm gonna write that as ice, and then you have to put the braces, and then you have to write the value number, the index number of which one you have to show. Like choco is on 0, vanilla is on 1, and butterscotch is on 2. So whatever property you want to show, you just have to write that inside the braces. Like if I want to show 0, for example. So when I'm going to do it, it's going to show my choco. Just a second. Okay. Okay, so it's going to show us choco. If I do here 1 and then save it, it's going to show us vanilla. And if I do here 2, it will show us butterscotch. Okay, that's done. Now let's make a function. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's make a function. Ooh, no. And you know what you have to put here? Always remember to put a comma after. Okay? It's a very big silly mistake that mostly everybody does. So yeah, put a comma after you know? So now I'm gonna make an property as sav book. I'm just gonna write a little bit big. You can I really recommend you only one word. Right now, just to tell you, I'm just writing 2 words. Okay, so it's Facebook. And here I'm going to write function, then the curly braces, round braces. And then I'm going to write here return any name, like I could put here Harry Potter. Just like an example, and I'm gonna I haven't done that. Okay, now if I show it to you, it will show us Facebook F, and when if you just put that right there, it shows return Harry Potter. So if you really want to print this and show the whole thing, you can do this. Just a second. You write here document dot write x dot and then the name of their property, like it's Facebook, and then do this, done. Because we're putting sorry. Okay, done. And now I'm gonna show it to you. It's gonna show us Harry Potter. Just like that. So this was it for the video. I hope you like it. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the video. I'm gonna be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.